One rainy afternoon, little Ria was playing in her grandmother's attic when she found something unusual: a beautiful old painting covered in dust. The painting showed a magical forest with a winding path leading to a tiny, glowing house. But as she looked closer, the trees seemed to move. Suddenly, a soft whisper came from the painting. "Help me! Help me find my way home!" Ria jumped back. Who was speaking? Was she imagining it? Her heart pounded, but her curiosity was stronger than her fear. She leaned in and whispered back, Who are you?" Before she could blink, a golden light swirled around her, and in the next moment, she was inside the painting. The quest begins. Ria found herself in a breathtaking, enchanted forest. The trees sparkled like diamonds and the air smelled like sweet flowers. A tiny, glowing firefly fluttered in front of her. "Ria, you heard my voice. I am Zuzu, and I am lost. I need to find my way back to the House of Lights, but I cannot do it alone." Ria smiled. "Do not worry, Zuzu. I will help you." But then, the trees started whispering. The wind howled through the forest. Something slithered nearby. "Be careful, Ria," Zuzu warned. "This forest is full of tricks and illusions." Would Ria be able to solve the mystery and help Zuzu before the painting's magic faded forever? The final challenge. As Ria and Zuzu followed the glowing path, they reached a dark cave. "The answer is inside," Zuzu whispered. "But beware, it is guarded by the Shadow Keeper." Ria took a deep breath and stepped inside. Inside the cave, she saw a glowing key on a high rock. But before she could grab it, a pair of glowing red eyes appeared in the darkness. A deep, rumbling voice spoke. "Who dares to enter my cave?" Ria knew she had to be brave. "I am Ria," she said boldly, "and I have come to take Zuzu home." The Shadow Keeper laughed. "If you want the key, you must answer my riddle." The riddle. "I have no legs, but I can run. I have no voice, but I whisper. What am I?" Ria thought hard. Then suddenly she knew the answer. She took a deep breath and said, "The wind." A flash of light filled the cave, and the Shadow Keeper vanished. The key floated into Ria's hands. She quickly grabbed it, ran outside, and unlocked the glowing door to the House of Lights. As soon as she did, Zuzu twinkled brighter than ever. "You did it, Ria," Zuzu cheered. "Because of your courage, I am finally home." A golden light surrounded Ria, and before she knew it, she was back in the attic holding the painting in her hands. But now, something was different. The tiny glowing house in the painting had a small, twinkling light inside. Zuzu had truly found his way home. Courage is not about never being afraid. It is about facing your fears and believing in yourself. Did you love Ria's magical adventure? Hit like and subscribe to